Hey, good afternoon, guys. Happy Friday and welcome to another Pro Charts video. Today we're going to be covering currency. My name is Jake Sweeney. I'm a newer trader here at Verified Investing, and it's my first currency video. So please give me a lot of feedback or comments below. I know patterns, trend lines, they're all the same kind of compared to equities and ETFs. I don't trust gaps as much with currencies. But let's get into the charts and see what the DXY, the euro, the pound, the yen, and the Canadian dollar are doing today. So let's get into the charts. All right, guys. Today we have trying to recover after yesterday's harsh sell candle. What we were building some bullish consolidation here and showing a lot of rejection with these tails. But with yesterday's sell candle, this bullish continuation pattern is now in question. And with today's price action going down, I see these support levels most likely getting in play. So I have the short-term upsloping trend line right here connecting this pivot low. Got a lot of price action coming up here. So right here, I could see a potential bounce. If this one fails, I have this tight horizontal consolidation shell going back from this pivot of all the way from 2022. It's got a lot of price action here, and not only 3.3% away. So I see this level here is a nice level for a bounce. That's $99.42. To the upside, there is this resistance level here from this pivot at $100.28. It's been capping price here with rejection here all the way through here. Price was able to push above it before closing back below. Same again, just not strong enough for the bulls. So this is the first key resistance level at $100 over the $100 handle and 25 cents to cover. If this support line does fail, I see this long-term pivot trend line, upsloping trend line from May 21st or from May 2021. Connecting this pivot low here, price action here all the way through. So long-term wise, this should keep price above the $98. All right, that's for the DXY. We're going to check out the euro. Kind of making a head and shoulders here, but right here, price action failed that. And since we're going down below the neckline, so right now, as we see, price today bounced off this key support level at 1.14950. And right below that, I have this other support level at 1142220. And that's where price tried to go down, closed just below before sharply pushing back up and trying to get a bid to the upside. Looming overhead, though, is this long-term declining trend line. Start up here, this pivot of 2018, rejecting price here all the way down. So if the euro starts strengthening even more against the dollar, I want to see price get past this $116 level. That's showing rejection in the past couple of days, and then it could get a stab at trying to challenge this trend line. Overall, we're kind of in range for the euro and dollar, but for this year, I would say we are up. The euro is strongly up against the dollar. And we're going to check out the British pound next. Same in structure. This one's more towards the lows rather than the euro. So this one has a lot more room to move up, the pound versus the dollar. And we're going to get closer to price action. I have this upsloping trend line right here that's going to act as great support from this pivot low from 2022, capturing right here. And let's make this trend line a little better, actually getting price action. Yeah, sorry about that. Right on those wicks. There we go. And that's where just price bounced just yesterday. So I definitely like this trend line. If this does fail, I have this nice key support level at $1.32666. This is this pivot top here. If this trend line does break, I see some nice support just close by, a couple cents lower. So a nice tight confluence support zone here. To the upside, I want to see some larger resistance levels here at 136.3086. This has been capping price for the past couple months, and even stronger if the British pound were to get above 142.82. This would really put the dollar in question, as the British pound is surging against that. All right, and let's check out the yen. The yen is near its all-time highs of 161.950, and it's been making these higher lows consistently since earlier this year. We have this pivot low here, starting price action. It's been pierced several times and strengthening that trend line. Just below, I have this pivot top here that's going to act as support at 159.454. And just above this pivot resistance, which capped price today at 160.726 points. If it wants to get another stab at the all-time highs of the US dollar versus the yen, I want to see this level taken out first, and then it could take another stab at this all-time high. Overall, it's still near the highs, so we'll see what it takes for the yen to start gaining some momentum. And we're looking at the Canadian dollar. And if we go to the weekly, this one's more near the highs of the chart. And again, we're getting this nice trend line support from 2021, capturing price up, showing harsh rejection on this trend line. So I really like this one, clean, some cleaner than the other ones. And we already have the support level here, this pivot top of 138.623. Should price come back down, it's a lot of price action that's been traded on this level. I could see this as a key support level near term. But if the US dollar starts weakening against the Canadian dollar, I could see this trend line start coming back into play. But if price keeps pushing up, near term, today, it got stuck on this trend line. Right here, it already had three touches. So I respect this trend line and was able to connect it from the wick high that printed from this morning before fading now. But if we are able to take out this trend line, this next pivot above at $1.4802 would be the next resistance level to take over to start challenging these highs up here. All right, guys. Thank you for following along today. And let me know what you guys think below. And if you want to see a currency that I didn't cover this time, drop that below and we'll cover that next time. Thank you so much and have a great day.